Look at this, look at this. Oh my god. And then can I also add the plantain? Thank you. We are so live. Got it. Just gotta find somewhere to eat now. It actually looks so good. Look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh. Plantains, the chicken. This is coleslaw and salad and the rice is under. Oh my god. I got all this and a water for less than 12 pounds. Isn't that kind of crazy? The guy said it's the best coleslaw in Manchester and it's like, it's purple. Like, look at that. And the chicken has a little spice to it. Oh my gosh. So glad I waited. It's just too good. All right, we're back in the hotel. I'm just burnt, dude. Like, I'm tired. And like, I'm still trying to like go out and see and like do some stuff, but when you're moving and like traveling like back to back to back and like you're losing sleep on some days, it's a tough scene. So we're gonna go get dinner now. I actually didn't pack. I didn't do anything. I actually took a nap. So yeah, I ordered some pasta, so we're gonna go get that and then bring it back, eat here, and then actually pack because my Uber's gonna pick me up at 7:30 tomorrow, so we gotta be up early. So let's go. Here it is. Pasta factory. That's kind of why I ordered takeaway, because I knew like how small this place was from the pictures online. So I was like, I'm just gonna order a takeaway and then eat it back at home. So, but it's packed in here. We got it, baby. It's not, doesn't look like it's like the most pasta I've ever gotten, but I said that last time and I was full. And then I also got the bread and a cannoli, so hopefully it's good. I'm gonna go back to the crib and I'll show you guys what we got. Guess how much I paid for this food? I was packing a little bit, like, you know, and then I was like, you know what, I'm pretty hungry. Let me see my food. And so here's my bread, right? That was $3.50. All right, good value. I ate a couple pieces already. But my main course, 15 euros right here. Oh my gosh, you see that? Look, here's my hand. Oh my gosh. You see that? Dude, that's a side. I don't know. Here's a Kit Kat. Look. Oh my goodness, dude. Alright, it might not be that much food, but it better be like the best carbonara I've ever had, right? So, let's see. I hate to say it, but it's better carbonara than I had in Paris. Like, it's pretty good. And the noodles are solid too, because they make all their noodles there. So any pasta you get, they like hand make the noodles. Like, I actually was hating before, but like, there's a sauce, there's the noodles. Oh my god, it's good. It's good. Cannoli's good. We're live. We're live. We're good. So we're here at the airport. I got the security. I got here really early, and then I got some breakfast. I might try to buy shoes because it's pretty cheap, and there's like not as much tax or sales tax here. Import tax, some sort of tax. So I might try to, and I saw a JD down there, so I might. We'll see. But I'm gonna eat, and then we'll see what we do. I forgot to explain my breakfast. It's like their big breakfast hash, or Giraffe big breakfast, I think. So there's like the egg, sausage, there's bacon somewhere in there, and then hash browns, and then like some peppers and stuff. So pretty healthy, pretty good. That's a couple bites. Big fan. So that's my breakfast. That's it. We're back at Dulles now. Thank you guys for watching. That's the UK Europe trip. I had fun. It was sick. And the last second full send to Paris, I couldn't regret it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in another future video and we get to travel more. Peace.